the only thing great about the monsoons is that I get to create some of my favorite creations, and those are soups. A cauliflower bisque is light, airy, and stay tuned because right at the end I'm going to give it such a modern Goan twist that it's going to shock you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. 10 mils of olive oil and a large scoop of yellow salted butter. You just allow it to melt together. You definitely want some heat, so in goes about 4 bird-eye chilies just cut into half, along with 6 cloves of garlic finely minced up. 1 leek just roughly cut up going in as well. Now 1 large cauliflower roughly cut up going in. Now this soup is a puree, so you don't need to worry about how you cut it as rough and as coarse as possible. In goes 2 cups of boiling hot water. Season with some salt and some freshly milled black pepper. 5 minutes into it simmering, now you want it to get some coconutty goodness. So in goes 400 mils of coconut milk. On the slowest possible simmer, cover it for about 15 minutes. 20 minutes later, all we're going to do is allow this to cool down and puree. Finely blitzed up, and with a quick seasoning check and add a little liquid if it's too thick, this gorgeous creation is ready to be indulged right into. Now while the soup is great all by itself, that modern Goan twist comes with a toast laid in on top some great Goan chorizo. Put it on top and an indulgent fare ready in a jiffy. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Simple flavors yet perfect for the balmy monsoony weather that we're in. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a